Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Challenger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you want to see guys how to remove the driver dash air vent, driver side dash air vent, we'll explain guys how to do that. It's not complicated when you know what to do. Now we'll talk how we can fix it as well guys. If you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Now before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car guys we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. And why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. In addition, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out guys. We have videos about taking engines apart, fixing engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, engine lights, a little bit of everything. So guys, what we need to do now? Okay, first we need to remove the center dash trim that's around the radio, dash vents there. Okay, how we're going to do that now? Okay, let's explain that thing now. We're going to get, okay, some prying tools, plastic prying tools. You're gonna get behind, you're gonna have a few clips here and there. Okay, those are plastic clips, okay, that are quite tight guys, but eventually they do come out. We'll show you what they look like if for some reason you break one. Okay, we'll have a we'll talk where, okay, you can buy a replacement one from. Let me see this one here now. It's a little bit tight on this side. Okay, perfect, it came loose. Now I need to move the steering wheel, okay, all the way down. Right, all the way down and all the way out as well. That way, okay, we'll be able to pull it out without scratching anything. And here, if we grab it now, the air vents need to come out in an angle, okay, like that. And that piece, okay, you can see it just came out like that. We're missing one clip right here. It fell behind the dash. I see it right here, so I'm going to put this one back where it belongs, okay, like that. Inspect that you have all of them. You can see, okay, there is one more missing right there. We're going to get a replacement one and put that one, or try to find it behind the dash, but practically those are the clips. So before we continue, okay, let's see what else we need to do. So guys, the driver side dash air vent, you can see we need to remove all that trim because it comes from the back side guys, otherwise you cannot replace it, don't even try. Now how we do that, check these things out. Now here, okay, that clip you need to spread it but not too much, not to crack it, right? We have one on this side too, ours both of them came at the same time. Now on this side we have the same thing. Okay, I got in accidentally on the other side, but it came out. And that's the driver's side air vent. If it's broken, if the things are loose, if you cannot move them, they're flopping everywhere, we have a video how to fix broken dash air vent on Dodge Challenger on our channel that will guys teach you how to do that step by step. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.